can work on this so we can go by Bob.
No.
Yes.
No.
What do you want?
Jackson, do you want to go play Bob the Builder? Let's go play Bob with your tools.
Go show Auntie.
Who are you?
No.
Are you Bob?
No. Get.
Stop!
Stop hitting Auntie.
Are you cleaning?
Yeah, I clean up.
Is it dusty?
I need a desk. I need a desk.
Dust.
Desk.
Dust.
Desk.
Say dust.
Desk.
Yeah. There you go.
Take one. Desky. Okay. Okay.
You want to dust?
Mm-hmm.
Show Auntie where the duster is, and you can do it.
I need a sprayer.
Auntie has to get it for you.
No. I want this sprayer, okay? I want to spray. I want to spray.
Where's your sprayer?
No, I want my sprayer. My sprayer. Mommy, get to Mama's gone. Mama, my sprayer. Mama, give to me.
Where's your sprayer?
No. Send it, wash it.
Okay.
Wait till you get the sprayer up the plastic.
Where is it?
My sprayer. It's in the water. Wash the spray, okay? I want the sprayer. Grandma down on the shelf.
What?
The grandma. We get a picture of you. Okay?
You want to take a picture of me?
Yeah.
Hold tight.
Okay.
Hold on to it tight.
Say cheese.
Cheese.
Cheese pizza. Cheese.
Cheese pizza.